Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to save addresses to your favorites in your TomTom GO GPS. Now I'm using a TomTom GO 720, but this applies to TomTom GO 630, 720, 910, 920, and so on. Basically most TomTom GO GPS units will have the same type of interface. Now, keep in mind that in TomTom GPS, the interface will slightly look different. The icons, the graphics, and everything will look slightly different based on the operating system that you're running in the particular GPS. And this unit, I'm running up version 7.48, and basically, this is the interface of a version 7.48. Yours might be a different version or newer version, so it might be slightly different, but in general, this is exactly how you do it. All right, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is confirm what version operating system we have. We click here, and right here it tells us what operating system we have right there. And if you click on this, it will even give you more information about the version or the operating system. Okay, now in order to enter an address, we have to, I have an address of a McDonald's nearby, which I'm going to enter in my favorites, and this is how I'm going to do it. I click on the screen on the center, and then I click on the right arrow, and then I go to add favorites, and then I go to address, and then I go to street and house number, and then I'm going to choose country. Currently it's set to Canada. I have to change it to California or United States, whatever. So there you go, California. So now in California, the city I am at is Spring Valley, but if it was a different city, I could type it in. So since I am already in Spring Valley, I'm going to choose Spring Valley. Now I'm going to enter the street name. The street name is Jamacha Boulevard. I will click that. But if it was a different street name, I would enter it. The address is 8730, which I already entered earlier. So I'm going to just choose that address and done. So that's, the address is right there. Would you like that to add to favorites? Enter a name for it to add it to your favorites. So I'm going to write McDonald's. So see, McDonald M is capital. So I'm going to need to choose capital M. To change that to capital, you have to hit up arrow, and now everything is cap. So I'm going to go M, and then I'm going to go C, and then I'm going to go capital D O N A L D, McDonald. Okay, so now I'm going to click OK. I click OK. Would you like to set McDonald as your home location? Oh no, definitely not. So I click no. Now if I want to go to that favorite address which I just added, I click on this, navigate to. Instead of entering address, I click on favorites, and there is my McDonald's. If I click on it, do you need to arrive at a particular time? Yes or no? No. It's starting to calculate my route to that particular address. The same, you will do the same exact thing for additional addresses. Let's say if I want to add an address in New York, I go click here, I click here. Now to add addresses, you don't have to have any GPS signal. As you can see here, I have 0 GPS signal, no satellites, 0. I'm indoors. So you don't need to have any GPS signal. Okay, so I'm going to add to favorites, address, and street and number. So let's say state of New York. I'm going to choose New York. New York State. And I'm going to choose city of New York. New York City, New York. Okay, so now in New York City, you could choose a street. If you don't know the street, you could choose one here. Like there is street, all kinds of street names that are in. Let's choose 3rd Street. Okay, and 3rd Street, let's choose 201 3rd Street. Maybe this address doesn't exist. I don't know. Okay, so no match is found, so I have to choose 99. Let's choose 99. Done. Okay, so now I have, New York City, 3rd Street, 99 3rd Street. See, this 99 should be in the beginning because that's the address, but in the GPS and TomTom GPS, it comes here. It should say 99 3rd Street, New York City, New York, but it says 3rd Street, address, house number or building number 99, New York City, New York. enter a name for that. I'm gonna say unknown because I don't know where that place is. It's just for learning, for lessons. So I'm gonna put backspace, and there you go, unknown address. And then I'm gonna click OK. Home address, no, and it's saved. Now if I go navigate to in favorites, I will have two addresses in my favorites. One is the McDonald's I added in front of you. The other one is unknown, which I just added in front of you. And this is how you add a address to your favorites. And one of those addresses could very well be your home. And if it is your home, then you simply answer yes when it asks you if this is your home address. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.